Hey, what's up there, YouTube? And that's just pretty much it for that part. This is Crazy Magic Hawk, not Crazy Magic Hawk, man. Crazy Working Man. Today, I am getting ready for March. Not March Madness, not March Wins, but actually to work in March. My neighbor across the way needs help doing his trash. So I told him, hey, how about here in March, I go help you clean up your trash for $50. And he goes, sure, why not? And right now, oh crap, hold on a second. I see a text, so I'm gonna push pause. So sorry about that. I also had to go use the bathroom to comb my hair. Sorry, Ethan. Also, Douglas text me. So, anyways, I just realized I missed his text earlier. So yeah. Anyways, I want to say this. I am working on my neighbor's backyard, my backyard, and also some random spot in my neighbor's backyard. Hey Rex, let's see. Uncle Duck, there he is. Look right there. Look. Hey Rex, come here. Come here, Rex. Come here. Hey. Hey. He's a cool dog. Sometimes he could be so. And sorry if I move the video. So yeah, I'm just going to do some stuff, help my neighbor clean up trash, help my uncle out. Even though I do live with him, but sometimes he does offer stuff like lunch money, food, whatever. And also, yeah, I look like I'm a child, but because of the Bugs Bunny poster up there. And basically, I have a Marvel Comics poster, but I'm not a man. I'm not a child, so basically, I like comic books. That's for Super Hawkman A7. And also, I'm a cartoon memorabilia kind of guy, so yeah. That's also for Super Hawkman A7. Anyways, I got itch I can't reach. Yeah. Itch. Great, I have a pimple forming somewhere on my back I can't reach. Anyways, yeah. Um, Enough of the superhero stuff. Right now, I'm glad. So, anyways, I want to say this. I am gonna help basically my neighbor and my uncle. That's just basically it. And that's all I'm gonna do is record dog pooping, cleaning up videos, and also maybe ask my neighbor if I can help him on my own. Like, I don't know. Maybe pick up trash and stuff like that. Sorry, notifications. Yeah, it's my new backpack back there for magic, but that's for different reasons. Yeah. Anyways, sorry if I keep on moving the video. So, anyways, I want to say this. I want to help my neighbor in any sort of formal way. Tired. I need coffee. Anyways, I love you guys. I'm gonna, I'm out of here. Maybe just chill. Anyways, chillax, chill. Oh, maybe do more stuff to my hairdo or shave because it's been like 3 or more days. It's actually been a week, more than a week since I shaved. And no, I don't need a haircut just yet. So we'll wait till my hair grows out longer until March 1st. If Brianna, you're watching this, I'm keeping our deal. Got it? Brianna Jones. Anyways, I'm tired of eating coffee. Coffee. Yeah, not coffee. And it's already late. So, anyways, I love you guys. Prepare for that last video and the video before this one. Anyways, I love you. See you guys later. Peace, love, all this for love and work for. Then again, I might be doing something awesome for my neighbor and also my uncle as well. Love you guys.